9564 Trattoria. This is in the Mountain's Edge area, pretty close to the Mountain's Edge Park. We have a lot of plantation shutters. Undermount sink. Obviously we need a fridge. Little pet door. That's awesome. I know. So you have your water heater in this closet. Little bar area right next to the bathroom. It's nice to see the stone tiles, even though this is a casita, and the upgraded counters. I'm sorry, this is a dumb question. What's the
little,
yeah?
It's so you can do barbecues.
Oh.
And then I don't know if you saw, but there's like a little sitting area on the pool on the inside, so then they can sit and kind of have like a little bar eating area, breakfast kind of thing.
Great. Yeah. Okay. Thanks. Couldn't get the light to turn on in here, but it's a very large laundry room. Okay.
So that's the laundry room right there. All right.
Sorry.
Oh.
Yes, it's very big. Sorry. Oh, there's more. Okay, so there's a full bed, bath. It does have a closet, so it is actually a bedroom. And a coat closet. Okay. So you could try carpet cleaning, or you could replace the carpet. Our guy can do it for about $1.50 a square foot. Okay, so sorry, the light didn't turn on, but it's a large room, very large room.
I lived in Beaumont. Okay. Yeah. I lived there, and then my family had family here too, and I was visiting, and I loved it. So I just come over. Yeah.
This house kind of goes on and on too, but no weird connections, like Jack and Jill connecting to another room, etc. Okay.